Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Raihan Ananda Rahmansyah. Now I want to talk about my hobby. My other side of hobby is I like about history and I like to read about history, especially history in World War II. Now I want to tell you something about my favorite general during World War II. Johannes Erwin Eugene Rommel was a German general and propaganda icon during World War II, popularly known as the Desert Fox. He served as a field marshal in the Wehrmacht. Wehrmacht is the armed force of Nazi Germany, as well as serving in Reichswehr of the Weimar Republic and the army of Imperial Germany. Rommel was a highly decorated officer in World War I and was awarded with the Pour le Mérite for his action on the Italian front. In 1937, he published in his classic books on military tactics, infantry attacks, drawing on his experiences in that war. In World War II, he commanded the 7th Panzer Division during the 1940 invasion of France. His leadership of German and Italian forces in the North African campaign established his reputation as one of the best tank commanders in the war and earned his nickname Der Wüstenfuchs or the Desert Fox. Among his British adversaries, he had a reputation for chivalry, and his phrase "war without hate" has been uncritically used to describe the North African campaign. A number of historians have since rejected the praise as myth and uncovered numerous examples of war crimes and abuses towards both enemy soldiers and native population in Africa during the conflict. Other historians note that there is no clear evidence Rommel was involved or aware of these crimes, with some pointing out that the war in the desert as fought by Rommel and his opponents still came as close to a clean fight as there was in World War II. He later commanded the German forces opposing the Allied cross-channel invasion of Normandy in June 1944. With the Nazis gaining power in Germany, Rommel gradually came to accept the new regime, with historians giving different accounts on the specific periods and his motivation. He was a supporter of Adolf Hitler at least until near the end of the war, if not necessarily sympathetic to the party and the paramilitary forces associated with it. In 1944, Rommel was implicated in the 20 July plot to assassinate Hitler. Because of Rommel's status as a national hero, Hitler decided to eliminate him quietly instead of immediately executing him, as many other plotters were. Rommel was given a choice between committing suicide in return for assurances that his reputation would remain intact and that his family will not be persecuted following his death, or facing a trial that would result in his disgrace and execution. He chose the former and committed suicide using a cyanide pill. Pause dulu ya.